bois les sagas. Maman, viens. Viens. Mais viens, oh. Ouais, là, ouais, agba me sango. Ouais, attends. Ouais, agba me sango. Nous voilà. Yeah, we are. Why on not about with this man? Those can look catch up you. One minute, boy, I mean, like, and the friend boy, I guess what boy. Okay, boy, only money pending. I'm going to draft you. I'll draft you tomorrow. That's what the first I got. I don't want to ask with my old age. I don't want to ask. No one confirm babes for social media. I don't find why is handless pumping me like on social media at your old age. Nonsense set of women that have no respect from themselves, have no respect for their children, have no respect for their in-law to be, have no respect for their kids, have no respect for their family where they come from. Because you are the only person that went to Europe for prostitution. But I think we babes, no woman with this sense, we know the knack. You knack with sense, with respect. You knock with dignity, man. This is with pastors. Pastors know the dope. The doping system must be activated. When we get sense. Hello, man. Yeah, that was big up. You the laugh. This is my very life. Why not laugh? That's the truth and the reality. I will not be lying. That's the truth and the reality. What would they tell ourselves the truth for this social media? If we talk truth, we're not going to get problem. With the knack and the truth, knack better be. God must punish them with it. Let them make me verse. And I'm put my chip chat for head. We are wako. Okay, once I'm when I see live video, you go like to watch. Let us be frank to ourselves now. You they see a kiaku when a kiaku they do in live video of it. We are the blame man because we are traditional men. But if you see that kind of woman, a woman will say, if you, even in video, where it work for social media, at least guy man go see and say, yes, it go when I only you one knock. You must not do it on public, but inside, get better soft woman will be say they flexible, they weep well, normal level. Now you only want to weep. Some women say, we are to weep. You want to keep call weeping, you feel weep. You feel give me back. As I sit down, so you give me your back. They whip me, they whip me, they whip me, they whip me. They will just be whipping. Whipping system will be activated. I will just relax. The highest my hand go the up. We have one step for the up. I want carry stone. Now weight lifter. I mean weight lifter. I want to lift breast. I want to lift them. Jesus. Huh. My hand go weak. I expect myself for what the world now. Oh, we make women. Mama, what up, baby? How are you? Yeah, boy. Yeah, boy, no. Yeah, boy. Or dinner. So I always wait in Calajare about 3 days or 4 days ago. But when I go, you come one. All of the arrow here. A man, no way award, a bid. No way bid award. On our arrow here. We don't have to go verbal. The go ya with the boy of verbal. You get the boy with the bid. You understand? Awake now, aware of Zua my monkey. Okbitamai tan, one won't be na mwe. You understand? Not the Venica, not the Vonona, you just can local life champion talk. Why down your head? Ye boy, you get the dinner again or only like Javena. You get beaten in my near award near Munima. You show the Osigo near Yahweh. You give Marigo in your banner. In Akona. You don't have on. Eria Dukmugume, Eria Brabimene, you may support you, blah 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 blah. It didn't boy no yado have my winning to be a glory makuhe. Yado be video my no, you go my bet 10 or you go my fear card in live video. It didn't. A Monica Moria. Oye gbo maya e ba oye gbo maya tan bi ka ono gbiju wele the live video oye gbo maya lo nisan ozo nu makun e ma mo no wa yi ko so lo bo na mo gbije me ga o se me oni on rivière no oni je lo si no ro so lo bo na mo gbije me ga o se me o ha ije me no gi ije me ni mosi ije ni me ya hiu ije ni me ya hiu ogo gbazen baba we this man iba no asanga desi jawani won no gbiji me ma wa do asi so lo gba mi score all right no I respect Nick Bia because Bia give me respect Nick Bia because ni ekya ya mu bubu de kan ya mu no maso ekya ya mu maso be na me ke ko biria o no go Bia ga France no go Bia ga Italy ogbe no way ogbe this de kan me hin mu nya no respect o go ni ya me Nick Bia eke ko biri ni ano ni eke ko biri ga mu ya we oye salo bu dazi no ba yo ayo mama de ni bano kaya se ya te de koyan ya bani kiri koyan ya bani kiri koyan wa ma han wori abugo to le abugo tin lo yi wa to yi yes ma yes somebody cannot beat my mother and will become my friend Ozuo bu me social media Ozuo no mako obugo live video na beni time we tell why yani wa Monica o ipele le Monica they are explanation no yin pe mo le Monica evaluation la Monica la live video oda do gbero ni gbijo ni live video ije boy ere Monica la na do gbera gbijo live video or no even not pa no e yan take be precious minute ere Monica la na do gbera gbijo live video yes I have all the videos wa rekin why wa ta pa mo rekin wa mo ari de Monica ma ro we ruwa yuwa live video ni pe na mo wa gbi agano owo mo ta I'm going to deal with you people right now. Part 2 of it, about it. And I'm ready for you people now. This. I will be here. We are here. Do what? Finish with Noredone. Why do you Otuzo? Or have Yebo Otuzo? Asalo. I will be a Gano. Nepunamua. Why you go to Kinyari? Like we do now. In this one, what do you want to do? Iminuana. Ikuni ni gbe yari egbele yari samagun nyanwa awo bele gosu momo ni dem no let person to hear what yes my lord o bele gosu momo ni you will not let me to hear what no my lord oh God, may God not let me have a child that will be a friend to my enemy. Hello. That's it, bro. Hello. I greet you. See, I teach my program. You know, they need to collect my injection because they are nonsense too much. Because I say make I keep the quiet. This man gonna be like, okay, that's what we now. No man tell us, tell me the truth. I go fit take carry that kind of woman for love the wine. Come and wine me, baby, wine me, baby, wine me, baby, wine me. Yake swen the boss a woman so we wine. Yake swen. It's time I wear one. I tell you, say if I come for you, you don't like me. The last time I warned you. I said, you stay your lane. You always stay your lane. None of you should talk about this issue anymore. But you were the one that sent a video that he already did to Atiti. You were accusing Yuri we already feel begwe. We already feel begwe matter. You already feel begwe okay. Send me the video, the Yoruba Fikbe here. As it forward me the video. I sit down, I put the video. I watched the video from the beginning to the ending of that video. Imagine the Yoruba Fikbe. Watch that video from the beginning to the end. So because we have your program, I put a ban to it. But guys, you need already. Only a video. Because you are in that mess that she is talking, you will think she's talking to you. Go and get married. And stop following platform to platform. Go get married. Evil art is your problem. So go and get married. Go get life. The problem no that way. How can you? So you should be ashamed of yourself. Seriously. Or so you're supposed to be ashamed of yourself. Because of you want to snatch another man's wife, another woman's husband. Can you imagine? I don't imagine this kind of women when they pay for you. So they dream to even become third wife. When you met that man at early age, you did not marry that man because your eyes didn't be at their work. You left that man, you refused to marry that man. Since you were the first person that saw the man, you did not marry the man. Now the man is married. Stay away from married men. Go and search for your own. Stop scattering people's homes. Stop scattering people's home. Go and get you. I have a move. I move where look who really be working. When we no get out. Or let it be. Anyway. Ebona muhogo. Anyway. The way you are, you don't give person star. You cannot give any star. You cannot twerk. You cannot whine. You even dog this star self. Bola no go reach ground. Cassava no go reach ground because the place to oye dimi or dimi be my sister. Ba case mo be boy. Ba case mo be boy. Inya do ye uzak mana baya. Ni do buy babo there. It's a no boy. Yo, baba with this man. We are case mo ari o. Any guy. I was at the way. I was in work. Just open up. I want because I said to you, what are you saying? I'm going to wagmo. Okuno de zegezege. Okuno de yogo. Arekuni de mwe hudu. Arekwa bonu la okuni ikebe gwo miega. When I'm balling no ma we pusa. Coming on live video to come and nyama. If I hear pen for muna, abalawa here. Hello? Hello? What? I say make I just teach more. Supposed to do this your godfather. Supposed to do this your godfather get mad. No wala. Water. Alright. You understand? Okun mangwalona. LGPC eke mangwalo. LGPC biagia. LGPC so Lagos no money. Okun no dey flexible there. Ode you bona yam. Oga so igbeya ga gwo mi. Oga bon me. Oga when I say bon me. Oh, zanzan. Oga loy. Oga lock when I will lock. Oga lock. Baba this one, oh my God. Yo baby. You baby. Speak it to me. Oh, come on, talk to daddy, baby. Talk to daddy. Knock daddy. Give it to daddy, baby. Come on, slap daddy. Slap it harder. Slap it harder. Slice it harder. Slice it harder. You're slicing it, baby. You're slicing it. You're slicing it. Get it down, baby. Come on, get it down. Get it down, babe, nigga. Fuck, babe, nigga. Oh, there, you getting, you going his way. Oh, yeah, you ever know what understand me now? Ayawa. How no West time. Wow, I want to get you know 20 euro. My line or diving. Tissue, film. You will come. I'm worried. I'm always oh, c'est la tifie mi no ballon. Tifie mi no ballon. Tifie salemi. Tifie salemi. Okay now. Anyway, let me see you again and remove you from this place. Happy DPC out of this place. Bye. Yes. I know her. She's a Monica fans. Happy. Ebony Pepe them. I know them. Oh yes. Don't be joke. The time we I'm look here. Not to see a joke. Look here. When I talk, you take the sense, throw away the nonsense. The time when I've given you advice, go get a lie. He said this guy must release. I know they release. Now you when they watch me, they release. Now you they release. Now you they release. Oh no, look, Joshua. Don't be lie. You think so? So we'll go to Tomorrow Saga. We're transferring it now to Tomorrow Saga. Tomorrow Saga now. It go to Tomorrow Saga go sweet. Because I will say go rough, it go sweet. Yeah, we want to be for who want to be for. Yeah? Well, when I'm going to take away Saga now. You got away me. You don't away me. You don't tell me I hear your voice. You don't tell. Hey, this woman, you wrong. Like, yeah. Like, yeah. You will hear the laugh. This is my head laugh. Where could get we are woman, Go. Yeah, pick on that call. Where you go to water first? Nigga, it's a gas winning. It's a gas winning. Although that's a gas winner. Where you beg? It's a gas wise winner. Fresh. This is young boy. It's a young monetize the young boy. Oh yeah, let's go there. Me I really young. Me have a great page of it now. You understand? Let's start now. Sure. About this man. Oh voila. Well now. No me. Me know the do saga of a lie this person. The do saga of reality the way it is as it be. Case of having a table. Yeah.
Hello my people. Good morning everyone. This is your girl Monica Lopolopo, aka Big Man Wife, aka Lady Shine Your Shine, aka the Yeki One of the universe.
The go. Magia que go. Magia tico go. If anyone wanna give a call out. Hello. Hello. What? I must greet you. I greet you. I greet you. Well, why are you butter? Why are you butter? What the fuck? Only nothing me. Okay, can you watch ginger? Oh, I was a one you say. I will bad here. I never had. If I had, hey. Yes, now, yeah, I know, my sister. I just tired. All right. One love, bros. I greet you.
The leader that lead and others follow. Wow. My people, I don't come, I want to complain. My Edo people, my Benin people, what you know they do me, no good oh. It no good oh, not be tomorrow now when I go still start to the rock powder for when calamity go fall on my head, no can say I want this, I want that. Because I never see where people go they show person love. It go come turn to waiting people go they fight they put. It no good though. If you are not condemn now, nobody go tell me what I go do when my enemy go fall down because my enemy we almost to talk me have that somewhere that almost to take go talk because no go sound tile autonamo me many a governor it just when you go tile because we are was him or when already you pop or what pony or help on Bokuta, my people, you see these beautiful ladies where you they see for years so they are gallant women, a role model, a wife model, and a motherhood model, like they be. Beautiful as they're beautiful for face, so now so they're beautiful for hearts. My people.
Good. The three beautiful women who she's talking about here, I'm going to mention their name: Precious Meg and Felicia, Fairly Good Organic Skincare, and Azipopo Kids. Plus she. Those are the four witches and wizards who give us social media. You understand? Precious Meg will be the wife material in the husband's house. A single mother of 2 men and 2 children. Fairly Good. Now, wife and single mother. You understand? Now, wife and single mother, according to Monica. Wife and single mother. Now, wife of Oyibo. Now, boyfriend of one boy for Nigeria. Now, boyfriend of Igor Ga of what's the name? Verona. Girlfriend, only one. Felicia, you get to Felicia, now woman of 3 men. The only woman who married 3 men for the same time, Now Felicia. When I look the person with Monica the praise, you see how demonic this set of women are. For a those state as a whole, where we come from, I never see a woman marry or woman. They follow 3 men at a time. You marry Oyibo for house. You get black for Europe. For that same abroad we did. For that same Europe we did, you get black. For Nigeria, if you go to Nigeria, you still get black. Only you want for the same one because let it down and sit down on your problem. Our whole life. You understand? And they try to differentiate the way this woman they praise immorality for the Edo Saba space. The way Monica they praise the worship, they try to paint immorality to the Edo Saba space people all over the world. Hearing me loud and clear, I go identify this 4 women attitude. Monica as their head. She is the woman, she is the side chick of Eruwala, Mr. Domizedo, who our only son is being accused for the past years now. And she refuses to clarify that her son has been accused, who she himself has been accused of sleeping around outside our matrimonial home. And she refuses to clarify herself as according to tradition in Benin land that she has not done something like that. That is me clear. Even when the man came out categorically to clear the hair, he even said if in the case the DNA test is being carried out, if he did not match the biological father of the son, that he will come also to come and do our own DNA test, which is the accused person. You get the point there. And I see no reason where a man will go and do DNA test for the woman who he did not lay with. You get the point there. When I get that clear, that is Monica for you. Who she's the shine in your shine? Who is the leader that leads other follow? Who is the Iyeke 1 billion? Who is the Monica Lobo? Who is the this and that? All the praises she gives to herself. Don't have a problem with that. That's her names. You understand? Now let's go to the next person. Who is Precious Meg? Who she said is a wife material. He get back. He get from. He can't taste to be cool. Okay now, he be wife material. Okay now, you be full option. Okay now, you be Wahala. Precious Meg, who she said a mother, a wife, a this one, they are all single mom. Precious Meg is a single mom. She's not yet married. You understand? We are still trying to work towards her to look for a better husband for her that will marry her. You understand? At least that will not be the third man. If Paravesha should give birth to that, for that one. Okay, now, let's go there. I'm not mocking her. The third person here is Felicia. Felicia is a sister to Rita Ayemiamon. She's also a sister to Kekebe. This man's wife. Adazon YCC wife. Felicia Kekebe, Rita Ayemiamon, they are all sisters, cousins. The same family member. You understand? Now, Felicia is a woman who is, that one is married though. She's a married plus boyfriend. A woman who married two men, who has two different men outside her own matrimonial home. What is that one called? Adulterous woman. I'm just saying it the way it is. I'm not trying to humiliate her. I'm trying to let the people know. It is Monica that praises them. I'm trying to let the people know who they really are. The good for adulterous woman on social media. Precious Meg is not adulterous. Precious Meg not joined because Precious Meg is just a single mom. That one not be adulterous woman because she not the husband has. I don't feel calling her adulterous woman. Precious Meg not joined. Precious Meg is a single mom. Adulterous woman number 1, Omonokeke. Number 2, Felicia. Fairly good organic skincare. Number 3, Kate ODL. Kate ODL married to Oyibo. Oyibo used Kate ODL and dumped Oyibo. Kate now left and date Oyansa. From Oyansa, in now married Oyansa, adulterous woman number 18, number 3. Even he analyze a video no mama give Monica no down here. Mama not here don't dig in my car. Now just see watch you. The 3 women who she is praising now, the same 3 women where Monica the praise now. Monica has come out to this one. Number 1, Precious Meg and his mother. Say Precious Meg. Now so Precious Meg do this one. Now so Precious Meg do this one. Now so Imad do this one. Now so Precious Meg peace. Use peace cook for them. Ian and Lolo. They cook Ian and Lolo. They finish Precious Meg. Now listen, you know. The same Felicia when you press about the same Monica don't fight this go for Felicia. This woman family. Humiliating father for this social media. The same person. Man, listen, you know. The same Kate where Monica the praise now. Monica don't first humiliate Kate. And Monica even let us know say Kate's mama, Kate carry mark on country do obele goes more money. Amiyogo, afiyo for this social media. They hear me so. So more people who this woman with the gang the fool. If she see say she don't they go down, she go to recute, she go to come and they do fake apologies to gather people for hand to take fight people on social media cyberspace. Monica, they always look for people to gather for hand to fight people on social media cyberspace. Backing up with all those frustrated idiots, both the one in Canada and UK, in America. I mean, the baby boy, Nigga Yimina, I mean, retirees. I will barely go spend money. You understand? I pray for you people to this evening. May God not let your enemy become your friend suddenly overnight. The person that beats your mother, that beats your father publicly, give your mother and your father the best disgrace so far in this world, automatically become your friend. Be careful. You understand? You see all these women, wait a minute, play on. Now me on for this social media.
Because I never see where people go they show person, women, a role model.
Is that a role model?
A wife model.
Is that Jesus?
And a motherhood model. Like they be. Beautiful as they're beautiful for face, so they're beautiful for hearts. My people, these 4 people are Edo State Benin women. Where they show how adult women really take the live. When you quarrel, you settle, you move on. Yeah, what did they do to her? The woman that is most influential, very innovative. That's what the man just shook. That's what the man just shook. He just died instantly. And many more will still happen. Because my Baba God promised me. Say, as far as my enemy said they not go come on hand for my body, he saying go destroy their 14th generation. That one are just example. As they no one learn from that one, more go happen. The lady wear blonde hair, so this beautiful lady, now it be Lady Precious Meg, I bet my people, if I play the audio, make una help me look for what it be the offense where these 4 women do when they come they fight us. The lady wear pink, now it be lady. I don't know what they want. This lady also talk put to where I want place so. Now lady that they beat. Because I'm afraid of you. Enough. My people, when I see the bitter I want.
I talk like he never fail insult you. Now example. Down your one equemu gbe agia. Also na ti la je lo atemi no la jan we na. Do na ran one equemu o ke nu we. Iji no e fowoto. Ila lo legbe no sikian woto e fowoto. Or insult and humiliation the money carry in the family or social media. You should be ashamed of yourself. Precious men. Okay, can we are move ula owa. You should both be ashamed of yourself. You know the reason why? Barok no more eruwa. You understand? I just say no one want to be one so but you should be ashamed of yourself on the kind of friends you follow. It be a girl from the way. Alone? Yeah? What talk about you? Where go on here? Ah. Deni mo speaker. Ore speaker bu magun. Mahon. Ore speaker bu magun, ore speaker. Oh, my sister, oh, my one, you creeping me, you bring. You will be period. A period no rush. Oh, a rush. A period no rush. I need a pampas. I need pad. Oh, a rush. A rush. You need a pad. Okay now. Let's go there. So what in Abolofa? You do why you want to work, man?